how to review group feedback from admins on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to review group feedback from admins on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and go down until you find settings, and then click activity log, and now just click groups, communities, events and reels, and here just click group feedback from admins, and here you can review it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.